Here's how to put a Google Earth plot of land into your SketchUp model. First, go to the File menu, find the geolocator, and you're going to add a location. It's going to take a second to load up. You can enter address, or you can scroll in like you would if you were just looking at a map. This box represents how big the plot of land is, so you can see as you move in closer, the plot of land gets bigger, and you can move around within that location. So I want to select a little bit of this beach, say. You can select the region, and then you can push pin this. I think this is about how big it goes, to select that piece there, and then you'll select this one, grab. It'll take a second to load up, and we'll put that plot of land into your SketchUp model. There that is. You can select the plot of land with your selection tool. You can go up to File, Geolocator, and Show Terrain, and it will add some topography. This is on the beach, so there's not a whole lot of topography to it. Let's see what happens when we grab something that's a little more hilly. I'm going to select something that has some topography. There's a little more variation in its elevation. Once again, that places it in the SketchUp space, and then you can show terrain. And since this has a lot more of a dynamic topography, meaning there's much more elevation change, you can see that that's reflected in the model. You don't necessarily have to have this piece of topography in there, but you want to have it as a reference. And so if something like this is making your program run slow, by moving it around and maybe giving us a reference, you can export an image of this to use as part of your overall presentation. So maybe you don't want to design to this topography exactly, you want to hypothetically design to it. You can take a picture of it and then remove the topography and build your structure free of any of this information, which might slow down the program. How you do that is you go to Export 2D Graphic. And I'm going to select JPEG image. You can change the options here, use view size or not. I'm going to go with the larger format, anti-alias, which will keep it from pixelating, and I'm going to go with a larger quality here. Hit OK and export. Now if this is making my model or SketchUp go really slow, I can now remove this and not have to worry about it slowing down the program.